Next, I want to talk to everybody about our HarvestMax trait. This is a maximum yield management trait. It is a pod shatter reduction trait that we have, and you know, this will provide growers the benefit of making flexible decisions in the field. So those decisions that we might be making are, should I swath my crop at a normal time, or can I now with the HarvestMax trait leave it to swath later? Or maybe I have a really even field of maturity and the crop is knit together nice and that sort of thing. Maybe you just want to go out there and straight cut your whole entire crop. A little interesting fact for us is that in 2019, 56% of all canola acres grown in Western Canada were seeded to a HarvestMax or pod shatter reduction type of hybrid. The really interesting thing in that is that only about a third of all those pod shatter reduction acres were actually straight cut. And you know, that is testament right there that growers are using pod shatter reduction and HarvestMax in their farms to be able to make all those flexible decisions that I mentioned. Couple other key things is that when you have a pod shatter reduction HarvestMax trait in your crop, you're also reducing your volunteer recruitment back to the soil and hopefully make that a little bit easier for you to manage going forward. So reduced risk of managing all your crops that are grown to a HarvestMax traded product, and you know, it's going to be a base trait going forward, as I mentioned. So really encourage all of our farmer customers to ask our Pioneer and Brevant sales agencies to ask them about the HarvestMax traded products that we have.